tram and different numbers. So we'll be ready to go for 2-8 right here in a second.
Okay, let me know when you're ready. FedEx 3155 Heavy, traffic on a 4 mile line for Trade Center, turn left at Bravo Bravo and taxi to parking.
Runway 3250 ready for 2-8.
Envoy 3250, Roger, make a 180, hold your right, straight right, full length and monitor 132.7.
32.7, Envoy 3250. Go ahead.
Mercury 5954, I'm going to have you airborne as early as 12 past. So, get them started up and let me know when you're ready.
Alright, 12 past, understand. Yeah, folks, on the flight deck, a little bit of good news. They're going to get us airborne here in just about 9 minutes. So, on the fasten seatbelt sign, everybody return to their seats and flight attendants check in when ready.
I'm still on tower, but that was a little bit too.
Sorry.
Sorry, I wasn't talking to anyone else. Asiana 23672, it turns in a papa, hold short of ball stall.